All right. Good afternoon, class. How are you this afternoon? I'm fine, thank you too. Can you sit up straight? Do you have breakfast this morning? What is your breakfast? Here are my breakfasts. Hot dogs, tomatoes, and noodles. Who can tell me why it is important for us to eat? Or why we eat food? Can anyone answer this question? Yes? Very good. To give us warmth, to build our body, to satisfy hunger. That's all correct. But here is the expected answer. Why we eat food? We eat food to give us energy. Imagine, if I eat the tomatoes, how can tomato pass through inside my body? Yes, can anyone answer this? Very good. It's taken in through the mouth, pass through the esophagus to the stomach for digestion. Anyone have different answer from this one? Very good. It's passed through or move through or travel through the alimentary canal or the human digestive system. Our topic for today is human digestive system. Human digestive system is concerned with the processing food so that it can be available to the cell of the body. It consists of alimentary canal or gut. This is a long tube extending from the mouth to the anus together with various glands that secretes juice into it. The importance of human digestive system. Digestion is important for breaking down food into nutrients which body uses it for energy for the body's essential function. Example, cell growth, cell repairs, respiration, and blood transport, etc. And also perform physical tasks including work and exercise. There are two types of digestions. The first one is mechanical digestions, which is physical breakdown of food from large pieces into smaller pieces, which is usually done by the teeth. It involves chewing in the mouth, mixing and churning in the stomach and intestine. The second type is the chemical digestions, which is involved breaking down large insoluble molecules into soluble ones or the nutrients. Enzymes speed up the process of chemical digestions. The main place where chemical digestions happens are the mouth, stomach, and the small intestine. Here are the parts or organs of human digestive system with its function. The first one is the mouth, which is digestion of food begins, both physically and chemically. Ingestion of food is through the mouth. The second part is the esophagus, the tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. The second part or organ is the stomach, which mix and store food. The next one is the liver. Remove any toxic substances present in the food. It produces bile, which is the green liquid that physically digests or emulsify fat. The next one is the gallbladder, which is store bile. The small intestine, which is the site where absorption of food occurs. The large intestine, which is reabsorption of water, take place. The rectum, where store in undigestible food to be removed from the body. And the last one is the anus, where ingestions occurs. Any question? Now, we move on to, I will divide you into two groups. Group 1, you can do the activities or the question on the worksheet, and the other group, you can do the activities. You should arrange the digestive system in correct order, and then you explain why it is important to have a digestive system. These two groups, you have to do these activities within 2 minutes. I will come around and check your work. But before that, during your group work, can you answer your roll call? Douglas Vasi, Kadio Pele, Anna Marie, Joshua Toki, Marianne Fonua. 1 minute left. When you finish your group work, you can choose one from your group to report what you have done. Okay. Group 1, can you report your work? Your question. Question 1, define digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of food from large food molecules into smaller food molecules. What are the two types of digestions? The first one is mechanical and the second one is chemical digestions. The third question, you have to label the diagram of digestive system and give their function. The mouth, where ingestions occurs. Esophagus, tube that carry food from mouth to the stomach. Stomach is store food and mixing food. Gallbladder, store bile. Small intestine, site where absorption takes place. Large intestine is the reabsorption of water. Anus, where ingestions occurs. Thank you, Group 1. Group 2, you have to arrange using the these flashcards. Arrange the digestive system into correct order. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Thank you. And the last question, why it is important to have a digestive system? Digestive system help to break down food into nutrients which body uses for body essential function like respiration, cell growth, etc. and also perform physical tasks including work and exercise. Thank you to both groups. Any question? To sum up our lesson for today, what is digestion? Digestion is the breakdown of large food molecules into smaller food molecules. What are the two types of digestion? The first one is mechanical digestion and the second one is the chemical digestion. Why it is important to have digestive system is to break down food into nutrient which is used by the body for essential function and the physical tasks including work and exercise. Any question? Thank you for your participation.